So let's talk setting your makeup. So not everybody likes to set their Seint makeup. If you have dry skin or mature skin, you might not want to set your makeup at all. That's totally fine, totally fine. I like to set my makeup because I'm a little bit more on the oily side, but it's fine if you don't. So if you like to set your makeup, keep watching. I've got 3 favorite products to show you to set your makeup. Okay, so I like 2 different methods of setting my makeup. I'll use different ones on different days. The first is a setting spray and a perfector sponge. The second is powder. So I'm going to show you how to set with a setting spray. So this, I'm using the perfector sponge. It's like a beauty blender, but it's better and it's more affordable. So if you don't have it yet, definitely get it. You can use either the Seint setting spray. This is old packaging. I just have it left over because it lasts forever. Or I also have this other setting spray that I love. So I recommend the Seint spray if you like a glowy, dewy finish and a very light set. That's my favorite for this. I love to use it in the summertime when I want that, like I really want my skin to show through. I also really love this one for days where I like to get a heavier set, where I really want to lock my makeup in place all day long, or maybe have an event to go to or taking pictures, where I need a lot of longevity but not so much of the dewy glow. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. So either one that you use, you're going to spray it on your perfector sponge. So I'll show you this one today, but I really do love the Seint setting spray as well. So I got it on my perfector sponge, and I'm just going to press it all over my face, and it sets it in place and blends it in the same step because I'm using the perfector sponge. You can mist setting spray over your face, that works too. I just really like this method. So boom, makeup is set. That was so fast. But another way that I do love also is to use a powder, and I also like to apply it with a perfector sponge or a powder brush. The powder brush from Seint is really, really good. I'll show you that one too. Okay, so if you're using a sponge, you just dip the sponge into your setting powder and dab it in the areas where you tend to get oily. You don't have to set your entire makeup. I typically leave my contour and my blush out so that I'm still glowy there, but I will set everywhere else that I get shiny, which is typically the areas where I apply my brightener. So that's where I'm going to apply my powder. If you're using the power brush, I love the more fluffy side, I guess you'd call it. Press that into the powder and just press it into the skin. Don't blend or swipe because you'll move your makeup where you have it set perfectly. Just press it into your skin. This is my favorite setting powder. This is Too Faced Primed and Poreless. I've been using it and recommending it for so long. Every time I try another powder, this is my favorite one. So if you like a little bit more of a matte look and you like a little bit more of an airbrushed poreless look, not totally poreless, but it does make your pores look smaller, this is a great setting powder.